The Nikon Z90, expected to release in 2025, is set to revolutionize the world of hybrid mirrorless cameras. With a perfect blend of high-performance features, advanced technology, and user-friendly design, the Z90 promises to be a powerhouse for both photographers and videographers. Whether you're capturing stunning stills or shooting cinematic video, this camera offers exceptional versatility to match every creative need. 1. Powerful sensor and image processor. 26MP APS-C CMOS sensor, BSI. The Z90 features a 26MP APS-C CMOS sensor, renowned for its ability to capture sharp, detailed images. Thanks to the backside illuminated BSI design, it excels in low light conditions, offering exceptional detail and clarity, perfect for portraits, landscapes, and night photography. Improved dynamic range brings out more details in both shadows and highlights, providing a natural and balanced look in your images. APS-7 image processor. The APS-7 processor powers the Z90's advanced features, ensuring high-speed performance, faster readout speeds, quick burst shooting, and efficient autofocus. Noise reduction. Clean images at high ISOs, even in challenging lighting conditions. 2. Advanced autofocus system. 299-point hybrid AF system. The Z90 features a cutting-edge 299-point hybrid autofocus system combining phase detection and contrast detection for fast, accurate focus tracking. This system excels at fast focus locking, quick focus on subjects, even in fast-moving scenes. Precision, accurate focus, even in complex compositions and low light. IAF and animal detection. Eye detection AF ensures sharp focus on human subjects' eyes for flawless portraits. Animal eye AF targets animal eyes, ideal for wildlife and pet photographers. Bird detection AF specifically tracks birds, making it perfect for wildlife photographers. 3. Speed and performance. High-speed continuous shooting. 20 FPS, electronic shutter, 4 fast-action shots, ensuring you never miss a moment. 14 FPS, mechanical shutter, offers a balanced option for quieter, more controlled bursts. Extended buffer capacity. Capture up to 100+ raw images in a single burst with the Z90's high-speed buffer, making it perfect for fast-paced action photography. 4. Exceptional low-light performance. With an ISO range from 100 to 51,200, expandable to 204,800, the Z90 is designed to perform in challenging lighting. The BSI sensor and APS-7 processor work together to deliver sharp and clean images. Even at high ISOs, the camera delivers minimal noise, allowing for great results in low-light scenarios. 5. Professional-grade video capabilities. 4K UHD 60p recording. The Z90 offers 4K UHD video recording at 60p without any crop, ensuring crisp, detailed video, perfect for cinematic quality in any lighting condition. No loss of image quality, full sensor readout for maximum detail. Slow motion and 10-bit video recording. 120 FPS at 1080p allows for stunning slow motion videos. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording provides more color depth, perfect for post-production editing and color grading. N-Log and HLG video profiles. For filmmakers and content creators, the Z90 supports N-Log and HLG for increased dynamic range, ensuring professional quality results that can be easily graded in post-production. 6. Design and build quality. Compact and durable build. Weather-sealed body, built to withstand tough environments. The Z90 is sealed against dust and moisture, making it ideal for outdoor photographers. Ergonomic grip. A deep grip ensures comfort, even during extended shoots. 3.2-inch fully articulating LCD screen. The 3.2-inch touchscreen is fully articulating, making it ideal for vlogging, self-shooting, or capturing creative angles. With a 1.04 resolution, it's perfect for composing shots on the go. High-quality EVF. The 2.36 m OLED EVF offers a high refresh rate and exceptional clarity, allowing for real-time viewing and accurate exposure adjustments. 7. Connectivity and storage. Dual memory card slots. The Z90 comes with dual card slots, CF Express Type B/XQD and UHS-2 SD cards, offering fast write speeds, perfect for high-resolution burst shooting and video. Redundancy. Store your images and videos across 2 cards for added security. Wireless options. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 allow for seamless connection with mobile devices, offering easy sharing and remote control via Nikon SnapBridge app. USB-C port enables fast transfers and quick charging. 8. Long-lasting battery life. With the EN-EL15C battery, the Z90 offers up to 530 shots per charge, separated. Plus, with USB-C charging, it's easy to keep the camera powered during long shoots. 9. Additional features. In-body image stabilization. IBIS reduces camera shake by up to 6 stops, ensuring smooth handheld shots and videos. Silent shutter mode. Ideal for quiet environments like weddings or wildlife photography. Customizable controls. With 12 customizable buttons, you can tailor the camera to fit your shooting style perfectly. 10. Price and availability. Price range. Expected to be between $1,499 to $1,699, body only. Kits will also be available with lenses such as the Nikon Z90 to 50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is poised to be one of the top hybrid cameras in 2025, offering incredible performance in both stills and video. With its advanced autofocus, impressive video capabilities, and robust build, it's an excellent choice for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators looking for a versatile camera that delivers professional results across the board. If you're in need of a high-performance camera for both photography and videography, the Z90 will undoubtedly be a top contender in 2025.